Hey everyone, welcome back to a LightWork tutorial. This one is about creating a job, copying a job, and also filling out the job details once you have a job that you're going to submit for certificate creation. So as you can see, we're on the main home screen here, and if you click on the job list on the far left, open that up, and on the left there you can see your list of jobs. They might be at varying stages of completion, and I've actually got two down the bottom here which are completely blank, there's no information. And if you decide you want to make a new job from scratch, all you need to do is hit that little orange plus down the bottom here, and that will bring up a brand new job, and you can start entering all the information that you need. So what I'll do here is you can actually show you how you can search. So if this list gets incredibly long, what you can do is use the search functionality. So if I want to go for a belly full of lollies, you can search in that way. Also, you can use filters if you want to search by or sort by the date modified, alphabetical, whatever you might be, ascending or descending order, you can do that. And also the last one with the little cloud just here is you can click that and it connects to the internet and then downloads any jobs that have been saved to the server by anyone else in your company or some installers or whoever else it might be, and that's how you can sort of share jobs around between tablets. What I might do is go into a job and just show you, after you've created it, how to start entering some of the details. So if I go into this one here, belly full of lollies, now it's Alan's Lollies Warehouse, Willy Wonka, and you can see it's 39% complete. So you've got some options straight away at the top here. You can delete the job or copy the job. So if I wanted to make a copy of it, it's that simple. I just click here in the top right, make a copy of the job. And you can see another one has been created, and it's just the LightWork has just added on -copy on the end, so you know it's not the original. So what I might do is go back to a belly full of lollies, and then you can open that one up. Now you got your status bar, which is very handy, and as you go down, things will turn from a red exclamation mark to a green tick when they're complete. So you can see here, job details, I'm fully complete. So if I go on the left and click on job details, you can see that I've actually filled out everything I need. So in the first section, it asks you what scheme, BCA class, the retailer is LightWork Lighting Retailer, and we've got South Park Installers. And then you click on site details and you can see the company name, ABN, site name, Alan Lollies Warehouse, the business type, which is food and beverage services, the activity date, is the date that you actually completed the install, and upgrade commencement date is the date you start the install if you're doing a Victorian job. Also got the site address, 55 Gummy Bear Lane in Sugarville, contact details, Willy Wonka, head of creation. So I've actually completed all the information that I need for job details. That's why if you head back up to status, you can see there that's job details is a green tick. But there are a lot of things that I still haven't done here. So if I click on tax invoice, for example, it says we haven't attached anything to show the tax invoice. So that's still missing. And then you just have to head into the evidence or wherever you need to go and upload those forms or complete the documents. So what we can do is if I go into the next section under job details, which is spaces here, and you can see the first space that I've made is the Wonka Storage Factory. So if you want to open that up, just hit it, and then that takes you into where you can start your drawings, your reflected ceiling plans. So there's a bunch of different details in here. It's got the before and after lights, and you can take photos, you can add your technologies, because if you actually zoom in here, these are all little C's, and if you hit the light bulb, it actually tells you that the C is a Hanico Lighting 94 watt high bay, LED high bay. And then the ones along the front here all have daylight link control and are the 100 and are the same light, but they just have daylight link control added in. So all the D's have the daylight link control. So that's basically it, how you create a new job and start adding spaces. It's the same deal, so you can just hit another space, add a space on the right there, and then when you go in, it will bring up this screen where you start talking about the space. How long is it, how tall is it, what sort of Lighting standard do you need for lux, how clean is the place, what technology you're using, and it will start collecting all those details. All right. Well, that's been another LightWork episode. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please feel free to contact us directly if you have any questions.